A real estate agent sells two sites for 18,000 each. One he gains 25%, on the other he loses 25%. What is his loss or gain percentage? Okay. So here there are two things. Okay, initially I'll explain in a normal method, but the shortcut also I'll tell you. Here 18,000 is the price. There are two of them. There are two sites which is costing 18,000. He sells two sites and one he gains 25%. So first thing is about this, which I have to explain that. As I told you, selling price minus cost price is what is profit, correct? And when you want profit percentage, the profit percentage is nothing but profit divided by cost price into 100, you know that. So we can also say, okay, instead of this, I'll write it this way. You have this profit, and now from this you can say selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, and profit is nothing but calculated on cost price. So it can be like, you can write it in this way, profit percentage whatever they're asking of cost price, correct? Suppose I say that the previous problem which we did, 25 was a pen price which Pintu selling it, cost price is 20 plus his profit is how much, that we have taken directly as 5, or when you calculated the profit percentage it was 25, so we can say it is nothing but 25% of cost price, right? So what is 25% of cost price? It's 5, therefore this is 25, right? Selling price is cost price plus profit percentage of that cost price. That is, you are going to calculate that also, the profit in terms of this one. Whatever the percentage, if it is given, you have to calculate on cost price. So when you calculate this, we can say that this is cost price, you can take as common. This is going to be 1 plus percentage P by 100, right? This is percentages P by 100 of his multiplication CP. So CP I'm taking as common. So this is going to be the value. Okay. So in general, what I do is, in a short way, if we have to do it, suppose I say, like here I have mentioned, in that same way, I'll just say, suppose he is going to get 10% profit, then I can say selling price is nothing but, when you calculate this plus 10% is 0.1 CP, or I can say this is 1.1 CP. This is one thing very important. Sorry, you have to remember this, whatever I'm writing here. Okay, this part is quite important. So similarly here also you can say, when I consider this first pen problem, selling price is equal to, as you know that's 25% profit, is going to be 25% is 0.25 plus 1, the CP1. So 1.25 CP. Is that clear? This is one format which you are not supposed to change for any reason. I'm not asking you to calculate in this way, you have different ways to calculate, but still, the format which you're going to read is always selling price is equal to some kind of a thing, like 1 plus if it is a profit, and into cost price. If it is a loss, in the second problem we said, right, the loss was how much? 10%. So the 10% loss, when we say, then selling price is equal to 1 minus, that is cost price, minus the 10% of cost price. Or when you calculate this is nothing but 0.9 CP. Selling price is nothing but 0.9 CP. Is that clear? Any doubt in this? Whenever there is a profit, you're going to take that percentage, whatever the percentage is given, like 10% profit, meaning is 0.1, and add that to 1 into CP. When there is a loss, it is going to be like 1 minus that 0.1 into CP. So if I say 20% profit, then selling price is nothing but 1.2 CP. If 20% loss, it is going to be selling price is equal to 0.8 CP. What is given here is, one, he gets a gain of 25%. So when he gets a gain of 25%, that's a profit of 25%. In that case, selling price is equal to 1.25 CP. When he's getting a loss of 25%, then in that case, selling price is going to be how much? 0.75 CP. And then replace the value. What is this 18,000 here? 18,000 is nothing but your selling price. So 18,000 is equal to 1.25 CP. Similarly, here 18,000 is equal to this is 0.75 CP. So from this you can find the cost price. Can you find out the cost price from this? 1.25 is nothing but 5 by 4 CP. I can write because a fraction type which I was telling you earlier. You can take it in that form, it will be easier. So when I bring it this way, this is going to be 18,000 into 4 by 5, which is equal to CP. CP1 I can say, there are two different CPs. Only selling price are same, but the cost price are different. And here is going to be 18,000 into 4 by 3 CP. Good. So it's a loss of 6.25. That's the correct answer. But if this is a very lengthy process, right? You don't have to go for so much of process. First thing is, it is given that one is at gain of 25%, the other is at loss of 25%. The value unnecessarily it is given so that it will confuse you. Whenever you are given in this way, like two selling prices same, one is at a loss of 20% or at okay, let me go for the another one. Shall I erase this one? I'll explain this again. Or okay, you want me to go to the next page? Okay, I'll go to the next page. See here, whenever suppose I say two cost prices are same, CP1 is equal to CP2 per se, whatever be the price. Let me take 100. One is sold at 10% profit, the other is sold at 10% loss. So what will be the selling price? In the first case, it is going to be 110. In the second case, it is going to be 90. Right. So what is the overall profit or loss? Overall profit cost price is going to be 200. Overall selling price is going to be 200. Therefore, there is no loss, no gain. Right. So I can say that when the two cost prices are same, okay, CP1 is equal to CP2, and if you have X% profit in one and X% loss in the other one, no. Okay, then in that case, no loss, no profit. This is only for when the two cost prices are same. It's clear. Now we'll go for the next problem. Two selling prices same, which you are seeing now. The problem which you have is the two selling prices are same. Okay. So we will consider this say some value which is easy to calculate. Let me take it as 99. 99. You are having 9 and 11. Yeah, 99. Let me take 99 as the price. I'm just taking this. I'll tell you why I'm taking 99. If I say this is a 10% profit, other one is 10% loss. How do you calculate this? Selling price is equal to 1.1 CP in one case. Selling price is equal to 0.9 CP in the other case. Correct? And you know what is this? Selling prices, the cost price is how much? It's not mentioned. Whereas this is we are taking as 99. So let this be 99 equal to 1.1 CP. Here is going to be 99 equal to 0.9 CP. So what is your CP here? 99 by 11 is 9, but 1.1 is also 90. The other case it's going to be, this is CP1. CP2 will be how much? 110? 110, correct, because 99 by 9 is 11 and point is there, the 110 it is. So how much is your selling price? Total selling price is 99 into 2, which is 198, correct? Exactly. And cost price is 200. 90 plus 100, 110. So it's a loss. How much is the loss? 2 is a loss. 2 divided by cost price is 200 into 100. So it is how much? 1%. 1% loss. 1%. Okay. So you can see that when the two cost prices are same and the selling price are having the same percentage loss and profit in the first case, no loss, no profit. But when you have two selling prices same and percentage of profit and loss are same, in that case you are getting a different value, but it is always a loss. Like in the previous problem, you saw 6.25% loss. Here also loss. So in detail, I'll do it later, but I'll just tell you. Whenever in the second case, forget about the first case. There is nothing to calculate in that. The second case where I said the two selling prices same, and one is sold at X percentage profit and the other is sold at X percentage loss, it is always a loss of
1%.
X squared by 100%. That's it. Okay. So you can see in this case, what is your X? It was 10%. So 10 squared by 100. So what is 10 squared by 100? 1.
1.
In the previous problem, it was 25 square by 100. So what is 25 square? 625.
625.
By 100 is nothing but 6.25. Okay. The 18,000, whatever is given is immaterial there. So you have to understand this. Whenever the problem of this kind is given, the values are given only to confuse, and immediately can come to this conclusion and can give this answer. So that much work which we have done in the previous problem. Where is it? Yeah. This is not required. All this calculation is not required. You can directly go for this. So try to remember this formula.